do a kick class using one of the, this is all inclusive, it's got everything you need to create. So this is the Festive Tags Kit, the Festive Tags Kit. So in this kit it has everything you need to create the cards, create the tags, what I'm saying, creating tags. So today we're going to make the I haven't opened it yet, so I'll be opening it up with you and doing a few with them. I think let's see how many in there. So all the instructions are in there, and it makes 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 tags. So I'm going to make 5 tags today with you and show you how easy it is. Let's get started. I know it's been a while, but so much busy, so busy. So yeah, I thought I'd buy the tags because, you know, I'm sending out gifts, and if you're sending out gifts, this is a great way. If you're not sure what to do for tags, you can make them. But I thought I'd try out the kit class to see how easy it will be. So inside we got some embellishments. We got the what do you call it, the sticky thing, yeah. And we've got some twine and all the die cuts. We've got die cuts for each one. This is really cool. Oh, very, very, very nice. Very nice. Different tags and the sentiments as well. Let's get rid of this bit of card. So I'm going to punch out all the tags, and there'll be one of each, because that's what I'm going to do. So you'll get to see me making one of each. Let's do that first. I hope you can hear me very clearly, because last time I was having difficulty with the sound. So hopefully this has improved. So as I said, this could be great for your Christmas presents, these tags, if you've got more than 15 people to give gifts to. I'm going to show you how simple it is. So as I said, the instructions are very, very clear. So for each tag, it shows you how to put the elements together. So with this one, it's the first one, which will be this one, I believe, this one. I hope I've got this right. Yep, I need, oh, this is interesting. I thought there's something kind of missing here. So I need dimensional, that's the word, dimensional. So it says there's no glue in here, it doesn't seem. Just need a pair of scissors, step-by-step instructions. So I'm going to walk you through it. We need 2 dimensionals on the back of this, according to my instructions. I need to stick this on the middle of here, and it takes no time to do this actually. And then I'm going to get my stripy back, this, which it goes behind like that. Oh, it looks good already, and I haven't started anything. I need some kind of pokey tool, so it'll be hanging like that. Let's put 2. Oh yeah. And then the element of what I need is for you. So it comes in all the different languages as well, sentiments, French, German, I believe, and English. So what does it say for you? I am looking for that. I kind of made that up. Right, that is for you. So we put that sticker down here. We need to decorate our need one of these. Let's see if I can get it off. Right there. Ooh, perfect. We need some twine. So they give you enough twine to make these tags as well. So it doesn't look like much, but it says it can do it. You don't need it to be very long. Let's see if I can find the end. They've done this very well, haven't they? Oh, can't find no end to this. This is really, they've done a good job of that. I can't find the end. Let's see, or the beginning rather. Nope. My scissors. I find out this. Nope. I don't know why I can't find the beginning. Very interesting. Sorry about this. think I might have found it. Oh, I'm going to go on to the next one further ado, because I didn't think this was going to take so long, me finding the end on the twine. But you put the twine through, we put the twine through the hole here. As I said, we put the twine through the hole here and join these together. But that looks so cute. So the next one, I feel terrible now that I haven't, it's a snowman. So with this one, we need 2 dimensionals on the back, one at the top, one at the bottom. As I said, in the kit, it has everything you need, so you haven't got to be going into your stash. So you need to check that out. So we find the center of that. Hope you can see that, what I'm doing. Go to my sentiments, so you can build up a little conveyor belt here. Be merry, put that there. Oh my gosh, it looks lovely. This is the back. As I said, this is quick. We put the twine through, and then we've got voila. Next tag I'm going to make is which one's that? Tag number 2. Oh, I haven't put my decorations, dimensional. I mean, not dimensional. The bling, as one would say. Disappointed I can't get the twine out. So yeah, so that's tag number 2. So tag number 3 now is the flower. It's the flower. Then this background and this one. So we need to 2-dimensional. This is really cool actually. 2 dimensionals. Let's get this right on the back here. That's on the back of here. And then we're going to attach it here. But first I'm going to just put my sentiment on, which is Merry Christmas. Christmas. Oh yeah. That's this one first. And then with the sentiment, this we need only one. We stick it into the middle. I feel like I'm off camera here, aren't I? Sorry. Let me put this on here. And we have tag number 3. As I said, I don't know what with this twine. Oh, thank you for joining me. I just noticed that people are online with me. Thank you for joining me. I hope you can hear me well. As I said, I just thought I'd jump on quickly and try out this card kit. It's lovely that you've joined me today, but as I said, it's so easy to actually put this all together. Hi Cheryl, and hi Sylvia. It's wonderful to see you online here with me. So the next one we're going to make is the 3rd one, which the elements to that, as I said, I know I feel like I've been doing the Christmas thing a bit late, but better late than never, they say. And we take apart, as I said, it's so easy, so quick. All right, on this one we need 3 dimensionals. As I said, everything's included in the kit. It's not too late to actually buy this. I'm providing it's in stock. Free delivery today. You can take advantage of that. So, as I said, I hope you can see and hear me. And the next element to our tag, I wanted some pretty tags. I didn't want to buy them in the shop. And if you've got them here and you can make them yourself, that's the beauty, isn't it? So yeah, thank you for joining me again. Right, on this one we need the word joy. So I am going to stick this down, as I said. If I cannot get that cord, as I said, I have no idea why this is not. So here we need this, like this on here. Wonderful. And I need my words now. So we need the word joy. And then we add that tag on. Oh, I keep forgetting to put on my bling, don't I? So we need a 1 in the corner up here. As I said, a 1 up here. Again, there's enough to make them all. It's so cute. And a couple down here. Instructions so clear. So you can't mess up. So if you're a total beginner or not sure about card making or gift this is a good way to start. No inks, just simple instructions how to put something together, which doesn't take that long. I might be taking long. But this one goes together with this one. Doesn't it look so cute? That's tag number 4. See, it didn't take that long, did it? And the last tag, as I said, there's 15 in there, so you get 3 of each. Even, as I said, it even tells you how many dimensionals to put on there, so none of it go to waste. But so 2 dimensionals, one at the bottom and one at the top. I need my other element because it comes in, and I need the word Noel. Thank you so much that you can hear me clearly. I don't know what I'm doing, but here I am doing my live recording. So this is the last one of the so yes, tell me what you think. Leave some I haven't got the cord off the reel yet. I'm gonna try again. Let's see what happens, because this is really ridiculous how fancy. Oh gosh, this is not how. Oh, now I've got it. Have I got it? Not where I wanted to get it off. No, they really tucked this one in, unfortunately. Let's try one more time. This I hope you don't have any. If you have got this kit or you get this kit, I hope you don't have the same problem with me in unraveling the cord. I can't find the end of it, but as I said, you don't have to use the same twine. If you want to use twine out your stash, you can. But I'm just kind of disappointed here because I really wanted to show you. Well, let me see if I can. You need about 21 centimeters for each tag, I believe. I've managed to get a bit off, so this is weird. I've managed to get a little bit off. As I said, no gluing, no, just everything you need is in the box. This is great for parties or gatherings. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That looks so cool. I will be using mine. So thank you for watching. Leave a comment, share it with your friends, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Brilliant.